Hi guys, Brent here, My50. As you know, we can help you find motorbikes. We have access to auctions that if you're looking for a specific collectible motorbike, we can help you with that. I mentioned in a previous video that we also get parts. So these are some of the parts that we've just brought in. I'm going to unwrap them so that you can see the kind of stuff that we have access to. So whether you're building a RG50, a monkey bike, Z50, whatever it might be, this is some of the stuff that we have access to. We really do get opportunities to buy some really cool stuff like this. I'll start with this one. This is a, if I remember correctly, let's not break it. Especially on the bikes from the 80s. We get a lot of requests for fairings and plastics, side covers, because these are the things that always break. That there's a front fairing for an RG50 Gamma. Never ever been used. Brand new. Hard to find. Awesome. There we go, another one. That's RZ50, definitely. Yeah, RZ50. RZ50. Side covers. Actually, these are going to a guy in Portugal. Portugal, they've got a lot of RZ50s there. So this is for him. Oh yeah, super cool. I don't know if you can see this. Wow, perfect condition, never ever been used. Tailpiece for RG50 Gamma. That goes with the front fairing that I showed you earlier. So if you're in a restoration process and you want genuine, super good condition stuff, this is what we have access to. There you go, complete the build, set of side covers, genuine, never been used. So if you're restoring your RG50 Gamma and you need a full kit of original plastics, you know where to find them. Ooh, RG's winning the prizes today. Those that have restored an RG will know what that is. Super hard to find. It's the inner cowl for the fairing, at the back of the fairing. It fits in there like that. If you want a really complete build, you need to have all the little parts that make it more and more valuable. So genuine stuff brings value. This is something that anyone that's ever restored an RZ50 will be drooling at, in my opinion. This is an original set of handlebars for a Yamaha RZ50, not bent. These were always bent because we used to race them as kids and screw them up, but there you go. Genuine set of handlebars for Yamaha RZ50. Harness, original RZ50 harness. This is actually something I need for a build. Should I open it? Yeah, let's open it. original Yamaha Suzuki RG50 pipe. This piece on RG50 pipes always damaged. The tail end is always damaged from falls and knockovers and, you know, those racing accidents. But look at the condition of this bad boy. Almost perfect. Yeah, it might need a bit of a paint over here. But remembering this thing's probably 45 years old, 40 years old. Not bad condition. So obviously in this video, the purpose of the video is just to demonstrate to you guys the access that we have to parts. Sometimes you have to wait a little longer because the parts are becoming more and more difficult to find. But we do have access to really, really good quality parts if you're looking for parts for your restoration. I know there's been a lot of RG stuff here. This is specifically for a guy, I think he's in Spain or the UK. I'll have to check that. But anyway, rebuilding his RG. So he's going to have practically all the new stuff. He's got the body, the bike, but he needs all the stuff that goes with the bike, the plastics, the exhaust, all the stuff that gets damaged. Hard to find. So we've been helping him source all that stuff. That's for an RZ50. We have a lot of guys looking for RZ stuff in South Africa, Portugal, and some parts of South America, strangely. RZ50s are the little baby bikes of the RZ250, 350, and obviously the RZ500. So very collectible bikes. And they only went to specific parts of the world in the 50cc version. The RD went to a lot of the parts of the world, but the RZ mainly South Africa, Portugal, parts of Europe, and a little bit of South America. But North America never got the RZs. So when stuff doesn't go to America and it becomes obsolete, it becomes difficult to find because of the numbers being so different. So yeah, RZ stuff, we can still get access to that. Okay, this part is for me. What this is it's the front fairing cowl holder or cowl bracket for a TZR TZR bike. We build a lot of bucket races for guys out of TZR 50s to get the little juniors into racing. We have a fairing kit, but so this is what holds the front fairing up, and it's an original piece. Which we're going to be using in a race bike build for a youngster that's ordered a race bike from us. So yeah, there you are. Thanks for sitting through us as we unpacked all the spare parts. We do have access to motorbikes from Japan, any Japanese motorbikes. We have access to Japanese parts as well. So if you're looking for a specific part for your restoration or your customization on a Japanese bike, get in touch with us, www.my50.com, and hopefully we can source the stuff for you. Sometimes it does take a little bit longer because not everything's available today, but with a bit of perseverance and patience, we can find the stuff. So let us know if we can help you. Thanks for watching.